Let me try these guys. You're right.
Oh, Corona, mate!
Hey, G.
Apparently you coughed on your hand.
I did, bruv.
So you're trying to spread the virus?
G, you ready? It's ready too late, Dad. It's already circulating, twerking in your system.
A minute too late.
Hey, G.
Apparently you coughed on your hand.
I did, bruv.
So you're trying to spread the virus?
G, you ready? It's ready too late, Dad. It's already circulating, twerking in your system.
A minute too late.
You're right.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, man, aired me, Dad. So, Moms. Let me try another. Let me try this guy. You're right. Yo, first, I seen that juice of mine, fam. I don't want it to disappear, Dad. Look at this lady trying to get the visa, fam. Trying to clap the visa, innit? British citizen. Trying to clap the British citizen in that. What? This? Hey, I see my man again, Dad. Let me chat to my guy there one time, Dad. You're right, sir. On job, yeah? But you've been bringing him, man. You're working tonight?
No, off.
When you come in work?
I work 4 days off.
Oh, okay, I'll see you at work, sir.
Alright.
Flip them sandwiches, yeah?
I just seen this one up there.
You're right.
What?
Right. You're gonna. Oh, you're not gonna shake my hand.
Why?
Thank you. Who's in there?
Camera shy.
I didn't do it. That's gross, dude.
Just get her snap, Lisa. Quickly,
Oh, yeah. Clap these guys trying to eat the oodles by themselves, Dad.
Also, you scratched my hand.
Oh, sorry, love. Do you want a kiss?
No.
You sure?
I'm trying to get camera shy, Dad. Getting camera shy.
Look at them.
Not photogenic, Dad.
Your dad's watching you, then. Your dad's gonna watch this video. Huh?
Ah, Master, you got corona, Dad.
Sorry, you have it then. You have it as well. Oh, should I clap these roadmen? Let me allow it. In it? Oh, let me just avoid them one time. Is that Kim? Oh, nice. No. Let me try these guys. You're right.
Oh, Corona, mate!
You're right. Yeah. Man put a false pimp there. Do you hear that guy?
What do you call it?
False pimp. Oh, this is your jacket, Dad. You're right.
Yeah. See, this is what we like to see, money people. Yeah. Yes, boss. You see,
You
I
like
got the
that.
same thing.
Yo, I'll record you, man. That cost you up. I like your jacket, fam.
But how much was it?
Hey, darling, slow down.
Same thing. Nice, man. Oh, yes. I'm supposed to buy Montclair.
I wish.
Can I try your jacket on?
No, it's
Well,
too cold, man.
No, you can wear mine.
No,
I will.
it's okay, man.
You sure?
What's in the... Let's go, man. Cheers, boss, yeah? It's too rich for Frankie.
Ain't it? Ain't it? How many minutes left? Okay. Yo, the cameraman, you need to catch on me, fam. What's wrong with you? Doro. You're right.
Good, bro.
You're right, yeah?
Sound as fuck.
No, I'm gonna my bed, man. Oh, let me hit these guys here. Oh, look, man's got your card done. That was better. You're right.
You were. No, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah.
You say. You good, yeah?
So short, man.
Of course, my man's like 9'7".
What? Vlog, yeah?
Yo, one time for the one time done. Smile for the camera done.
I don't mess up.
Yeah, I just cuffed on my hands and I shaked your hand. Coronavirus activated. Bring one. Oh, you want a cuff? Hey, G.
Apparently you coughed on your hand.
I did, bruv.
So you're trying to spread the virus?
G, you ready? It's ready too late, dad. It's already circulating, twerking in your system.
A minute too late.
Let me hit this dank thing here, this white dank thing, fam. You're right. Hey, she hit me with the decline, dad. She went, oh, look at the guys wearing my jacket, fam. In a la carte, dad.
The home plate.
Ah, me that way. You're right. Huh? You're right.
Yo, move out the way then, bro.
Shut up on about memory fool. I deleted all the shit there, fam. On about it.
That wasn't bam, me I record you.
You won't even do shit. Mine will be the professional. That's when you become professional then. Oh, when I cross all up on up. I'm done with that. Aiwa. I start talking this thing, fam. Will not leave you alone, fam. I'm telling you a story how you came in the UK, dad. You're right. You're right.
Hi. Can you calm down, please? What are you doing?
Excuse me. Can I have your girlfriend's Snapchat? Where? Aha. How'd you get that?
She saw the camera smiling.
Are these the ones from Mackie's then? Look like the Three Musketeers done. What? Nah, let's cut it there, fam. Let's do an intro, innit?